Ustadh, what can you advise with youth that feel neglected and marginalized? Akhi al-Kareem, I would say that with regards to youth who feel neglected and marginalized, I would say, Akhi al-Kareem, many people go through this stage in their life of feeling neglected and marginalized, and the best nasiha that I could give is what the Messenger of Allah sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, because this part of your life is going to one day go, سوف يزول. It's a مرحلة في حياتك سوف تزول. It's a part of your life that's one day going to go. And my advice that I would give to you, if you feel neglected and feel marginalized, I'll say to you the advice of the Messenger of Allah sallallahu alayhi wasallam when he said, "Ihris ala ma yanfa'uk wasta'in billah wa la ta'jaz." Focus on that which is beneficial for you. Seek the refuge of Allah and don't feel despondent. Akhil Kareem, don't feel despondent. I know it's very difficult for you when you're a young man, when you're a young lady, you feel confused. Nobody understands you in the world. Perhaps your own brothers and sisters, or even your own family, your mother, father, your uncles, aunts don't understand you. It can feel very difficult, ya Akhil Kareem. But no, Akhil Kareem, it doesn't. It shouldn't make you feel like that. The best thing you can do is make sure that you're a successful person. Make sure you're a successful person and that you don't allow people, make sure you're a successful person and that you can change it. At least maybe even for yourself, you might not be able to change the despondency, but if you can change a situation, maybe one day in the future, you can help one child not feel that particular thing. So, Inshallah khair. May Allah make things easy for you. And just, as Allah said, وَاسْتَعِينُوا بِالصَّبْرِ وَالصَّلَاةِ. Seek patience from Allah, okay? Or seek help from Allah with patience and prayer. Just keep hanging there.